Hello guys and welcome to my channel and welcome to my garage. My name is Slav, if you have forgotten, so if you're not subscribed, you have to subscribe because today we are going to turn that Lamborghini into a very unique and unusual car. It's gonna be looking like this. This is gonna be a police Lamborghini, and I think the final result will make you surprised. But first of all, we need to prepare that car for painting. We need to protect all the things we don't need to get painted. That's why I put that plastic here. As you already may understood, we have a very cheap project. That's why we don't have a lot of paint. We have this paint, not too much, because the paint is expensive. And we have this paint, black color. So, we have enough black paint, that's good. But let me show you what else do I have. I have this solvent and I have a lot of it because it's cheap, and with help of that thing I can make a lot of paint and paint all this car completely, huh? So now we have twice more paint than we used to have because we've added solvent, and I'm not sure if this thing gonna work, but we're gonna check this out. So now we are ready to paint. I am ready to paint. I've changed my suit completely, and look how nicely I am looking right now nearby this Lamborghini. But this color is going to be changed completely. It's kind of difficult to speak in that thing. It's kind of difficult to brace in that thing. So the second day of our creation has come, and now our paint, the white paint, completely dried, and we put this masking plastic, put some masking tapes to make it beautiful. My colleague helped me with that thing. Дурак, блядь, что ли? So another day has come, and now this car is completely dried. So let's remove all that tapes, all that plastic masks, and see what we've got. And here we got our police Lamborghini. So now it's white and black, black and white, as you wish to call it. So, and now we need to install the most important thing. You will see it right now. So here it is, the police lights. You may ask me, where did you get it? And I won't tell you. Блин. So that's how this car, this Lamborghini, police Lamborghini, is looking right now with these lights. Yeah, this thing does not fit properly, but I think I'm going to adjust it and make this thing good looking, of course. Good. let me tell you a little secret. How can we get into that car? Because you see, here are no handles at all, so you have nothing to get with your hand. But so you need this automatic screwdriver. It's like a car key, so you just need to plug it in and unscrew the door, and now you can get inside into that luxury car. So I've almost installed that thing on the roof, and now I got this wiring. I have to put that wiring inside of the car to have some kind of switch or button, I don't know, to turn that thing on while being inside of the car. But right now I don't know where I can get those wires. Maybe I can use this, or maybe I have to use the other wires. No idea. So right now I'm gonna try it out. So I was thinking that these two wires gonna work, but no, they are not working. So I found another wire and decided to check it, and look. It was just working. What the heck? What? So I tried to repair that thing in the fuse box, and it didn't help. Again. Ah, nice! I'm an engineer. Блять, опять чинить. Okay, now if my wiring is right, this thing is going to be working. You have to switch the ignition, of course. And then... I'm an engineer, guys. I'm a real engineer. So, right now we are installing that thing on a special thing, and check out my watch. This is a super useful thing for screws, and I really like it because it makes your work even more comfortable. What the heck? So now I've done everything. Now we have this switch. We have to turn on the ignition, and then nice. So, just try to imagine such kind of situation. You are having fun, chilling nearby the beach or somewhere, and you see that in one moment, like this. I think you'll be scared, a lot of be scared, and you have to run when you see the police Lamborghini. So, if we will get 1,000 likes, we're gonna use that car to drive it nearby the city and prank all these guys. We're gonna ride nearby them, switching on the police siren, and we're gonna prank them and see their reaction. So don't forget to leave your likes right now. I need 1,000 of likes. If you get that number, we will make a cool prank with this police Lamborghini. Of course, this is super fast police car, police Lamborghini, and you need to be safe while sitting inside, and you cannot be safe while sitting on that thing. So I'm going to replace it right now. I have special sport car seat for that things, and I'm going to install it into the Lamborghini. So, now this way is much more comfortable. I feel like in a real sport car. Okay, look at that seat, but this car is a little bit low for me. Anyway. Nice. So we used this black and white color because like this Lamborghini and I mean police car colors are used in United States. For example, in our country, police cars using white and blue colors. So write down where are you from looking that video and write down the colors of your police, because I've heard that different countries uses different colors for the police cars and for the military cars and for the ambulance cars. They're different. So write down your comments where from you're watching this video and write down the colors of the police cars in your country. And also I'm interested in one thing. I think we have to write something here in black, maybe some numbers or maybe some letters or maybe even some words, I don't know. So please write down your comments below what should we write here to make this design looks completely, because now it's just like black and white and that's all. So maybe we have to put something on the doors or maybe something on the hood. So please write down your comments below and the best ideas will be realized on that Lamborghini. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate your help so much. Don't forget to leave your likes and of course keep watching my videos. We are trying to create them regularly, especially for you. My name is Slav and see you soon. Bye bye.